What happens to your body if you do barbell squats? Barbell squats are a key exercise for working out your lower body. They are so important that you can't build a strong and athletic body without doing them. In this video, I'll tell you why you should add barbell squats to your workouts. Make sure to watch the whole video because it's going to be interesting. Let's get started! Barbell squat. The barbell squat is a fundamental exercise that works various parts of your lower body and core. When you do squats, you engage your glutes, thighs, calves, and also the muscles in your core, like your abs and lower back. This exercise can help you build strong legs and a powerful core. However, it's important to do squats correctly. If you don't, it can strain your lower back and put too much pressure on your knees. Keep watching to learn the right technique. Doing squats the right way can lead to many benefits, but it's essential to do them safely. Benefits of barbell squats. Barbell squats offer various benefits for your body. They help make your muscles grow evenly and give you strong legs and buttocks. Squats also work on your core and abs, which can improve your posture. When combined with dumbbell pullovers, they even help expand your chest. Moreover, doing heavy barbell squats can positively affect your hormones, such as increasing growth hormone and testosterone levels in men. This not only helps you build muscle faster, but can also boost your libido. Additionally, squats are great for enhancing the connection between your brain and muscles, as they require coordinated movements in your hip, knee, and ankle joints. So, squats are not just about stronger muscles, they come with various other advantages for your body. How to squat with a barbell properly. To do a proper barbell squat, it's crucial to start with a good warm-up. This gets your leg muscles and ligaments ready for the work ahead. The first 2 sets of squats should be done without any extra weight, and your arms should be extended forward. After that, do 1 or 2 sets with just the empty barbell. It's important to remember that squats work not only the front, but also the back of your thighs. So, you should pay special attention to stretching your glutes. During your warm-up squats, make sure to stay in the lower position for a bit and try to push your tailbone as far back as you can. This helps prepare your body for the full squats with weights. Proper barbell squat technique. To learn how to do barbell squats the right way, follow these steps. Start with a medium weight and do 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. First, foot position. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and angle your toes slightly outward, not too wide apart. Avoid very wide-legged sumo squats, especially if you're new to this, as they can strain your lower back. Second, barbell placement. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, and rest the barbell on the upper part of your back with your elbows pointing down. Your hands should support the barbell in place, but they don't bear the weight. Keep your chest open and your shoulder blades pulled together. If you can't maintain this position, the weight might be too heavy for you. Third, squat depth. When you squat down, aim to go parallel, which means your thighs are about even with the floor, and your knees shouldn't go past your toes. Don't squat too low as it can strain your lower back. Also, don't stand up too high or you'll miss working the back of your thighs. Fourth, spine position. Keep your back straight throughout the movement. Look at a point on the floor about a meter in front of you to help maintain a straight spine. Fifth, lifting technique. When coming up from the squat, start by moving your pelvis, then your knees and body straighten. Don't begin with just your knees. It's an incorrect technique. Imagine someone's pulling you up with a rope tied to your pelvis. And don't focus solely on pushing the barbell with your knees. Sixth, engage your abs. Keep your abs tight throughout the movement. At the top between reps, avoid relaxing your knees and shifting the weight to your toes. Stand up as straight as you can, stretching upward while keeping your abs engaged and maintaining a steady breathing rhythm. If you struggle with this or your breathing is off, it may mean the barbell is too heavy for you. How to maximize the effect of barbell squats. If you want to make the most of your barbell squats, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, when you come up from the squat, really squeeze your glutes at the top. This helps you feel your glutes working as you lower back down. Second, pay attention to how deep you go when you squat. Don't go too high or too low. Aim for a good in-between depth. Lastly, when you're coming back up, start the movement by pushing the weight using the muscles in the back of your thigh, not by straightening your back. This will help you do the squats more effectively and get better results. Can you do barbell squats if you have knee problems? If you are dealing with knee or spine pain, it's best to avoid doing barbell squats. Instead, consider using the leg press machine. While squats are great for building leg muscles, they can make knee problems worse. It's important to note that the leg press isn't a complete replacement for squats. It's more like a supplement. One downside of the leg press is that it doesn't engage the core stabilization muscles as much as squats do. By the way, Don't forget to check out our previous videos on squats to get more useful information. You'll find the links on the screen. See you soon!